Now I would like to invite Professor Prof Khan to do also some closing remarks for this meeting.
Thank you very much, Ms. Adelina. Thank you very much from the bottom of our heart, Your Excellency, Mr. Armindo Maia, the Minister of Education, Youth and Sports, for coming to our meeting, for providing us with all the support, for nominating the steering committee members, for your kind guidance. We stand with you to support the Ministry of Education, Youth and Sports in every endeavor wherever we can add value, and we will follow up under your leadership all the actions which have been agreed today. Timor-Leste is a very important nation for the world and for UNESCO. We look forward to Timor-Leste for many ideas which are also important for other nations, and we continue to create North-South, South-South, and triangular cooperation. And this project, supported by the government of Japan, by the people of Japan, very important for UNESCO. And we are very, very thankful to Ms. Seiko Toyama, First Secretary in charge of Culture and Education, to ably represent the Embassy of Japan, and especially His Excellency Mr. Masami Kinefuchi, the Ambassador of Japan to Timor-Leste. We are also thankful to His Excellency Ambassador for his leadership and for providing us with the opportunity to serve the people of Timor-Leste from very important funds coming from the government of Japan. Please be rest assured, this project is a very high priority for UNESCO. It's of course very important for the people of Timor-Leste. We will make sure that the impact from this critical investment is as big as it can be possible, and especially after the COVID, the importance of science and mathematics has been highlighted even to a much higher level. Inquiry-based science education is very important, and we have learned from the results of the survey as mathematics and science education is very important for the teachers. Many of them may not be specialists in their areas. They have to teach all subjects because the capacity constraints are there. We have to do a lot more than what we have been doing. So we certainly need to support our teachers. And I also thank SESAM, also thank our colleagues from the National Commission for their leadership, for providing the necessary facilities today for organizing this meeting, and for capably linking with the Ministry of Education, Youth and Sports. The Science Day is very important for the world and certainly very important for Timor-Leste. All of us have to continue to contribute towards all the objectives of the project. I thank all members of the steering committee and for your suggestions and your observations, and we look forward to learning more from you. Thank you for approving the TORs, and thank you for going through the work plans. We will have more written communication with the Embassy of Japan as well as with the ministry for the work plan as has been elaborated today. And hopefully we can finish within this time. This is our biggest desire. We want to finish even earlier because education cannot stop. Education is critical in these times of COVID, and we must continue even better after this COVID problem is over. We really hope our teachers and experts from Timor-Leste will be able to visit Japan, and the Japanese experts will be able to come and visit the schools very soon. And we will mobilize every one of our resources, our education experts like Mr. Zaki here, our office in Timor-Leste, capably managed by Ms. Adelina, and Dr. I. Segura, mobilizing the science related. So with that, we thank you for staying with us. We are sorry for the little overrun, but certainly every minute I have enjoyed in this meeting, and I place my very highest level of respect for the people of Timor-Leste. And I strongly believe the progress in Timor-Leste is the progress of the whole world. And for UNESCO office in Jakarta, Timor-Leste always have been a priority, and it will continue to do so. We will do everything in our possibility to assist wherever we can. Your Excellency, you can direct us on any of the areas where UNESCO can support your ministry. So with that, we thank you. Have a wonderful day.